Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be unboxing this hair that I got from Allove Hair company, and it comes in this pretty cute package. So it's 100% human hair, so we're gonna be unboxing it together, and I will be showing you guys how the easiest way to pre-pluck your frontal. So we're doing something different today, so get ready as we all watch and learn together. So let's open the box right here and see what we got. Okay, so we got an eyelashes as a gift. We got a cute little bunny hair holder, and we also got a wig cap. So this is like a net in black color, and here is the hair. So they sent me the 10A, the grade 10A grade virgin hair, and it's straight. I love the fact that it's straight, so I can do whatever I want to do with it. I can curl it, I can leave it straight and order, and it comes in 22 inches, which is really good. Personally don't like my hair too long and too short either, so that was a very good length. So I'm just unraveling it right now to see what it feels like and to see what it looks like. And as you can see, I'm just running my fingers through it to see if there is any shedding or tangling, and I'm also brushing it to see if there is any hair shedding or anything like that. And I was really impressed by that. So I'm just looking at the hairline right now to see what I'm gonna work with before starting. So for the pre-pluck process, you're gonna need your brush and your spray bottle. You're gonna get some water. So I mixed a little bit of deep conditioner in the water, just a little bit, so to mix it up, and I'm just spraying it on the hair, on the hairline, and also that makes it easy for you to pre-pluck and to see exactly what you're working with. So you're just gonna take your tweezers and you're gonna start plucking from the roots. So you're gonna start from the hair line, and you're gonna walk your way up to the other side. So you're gonna make, like I said, you're gonna make sure you're plucking deep down into the roots. If not, you're doing nothing. So one thing I will also suggest is to have the kind of hairline look you're going for this particular wig. I want something I will be able to brush to the back and also part in the middle. So I want like a freestyle parting. So I'm gonna make sure to make the hairline as natural as much as I can. So I'm gonna show you a detailed look on how to plug the hairline. So you make sure you're going into the roots and just pulling the hair. So at the same time, you're making sure you're not pulling it too much, or you're not dipping the tweezers into the lace, so you don't put in a hole. So you make sure you're being careful at the same time, taking your time so it looks exactly how you want it to look. For me to get a better view of what I was doing, so I transferred it on my knee so I could get a better view of the front and the other side. So as you can see, it's already looking very natural, and it's no longer looking thick as when I first unboxed it. So I'm also making sure to pluck it in the middle as well. Like I said, I want like a free style partings. I want to be able to part it anywhere I want. So I'm just making sure to pluck the middle as well. So as you're spraying, you're gonna make sure you're brushing the hair to make it smooth, and also for you to see where it need more work, and if it looks like it's still thicker in some areas, you're just gonna keep plucking until it looks as natural as you want it. So this process took me about 30 minutes to do. If you get a good tweezers and you're tweezing the right way, trust me, it shouldn't take you more than 30 to about 1 hour to do, depending on your experience too. So just take your time, as long as you're getting the results that you want, rather than rushing through it and it looks like you didn't get nothing done. So take your time. That's what I'll say. And like I said, if you're tweezing the right way, you will see the result like immediately. When you brush the hair out, you can tell the difference from when it was pre-plucked and when it's not pre-plucked. So I'm done plucking, and this is all I got from the hair. This is all the shedding that comes out from the plucking. So that's really very good with the amount of plucking that I did on this hair. So I was really surprised like that. So I will be uploading another tutorial on how I install and style this hair, so please watch out for that, guys. If you're looking for a good and affordable hair, Brazilian hair or virgin hair, I would recommend this company. Please check out the link in the description down below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day. Bye.